Today we're going to take a look at this ComfyUI workflow that takes historical images, dynamically figures out an appropriate prompt through an LLM to improve the image, and then uses SDXL and Controlnet tile to upscale and create variations of the image, if you will. So first up, we're going to have to load our images. You can see here we're loading them from a folder, and we're going to use a primitive to be able to run this in bulk and dynamically move through the images in the folder. We'll also need to make sure we resize our images so they're not too big or not too small. And then we will pass that to our InternVL tools that you see here. So we're going to tell the LLM, you're an expert art historian, you're an expert Stable Diffusion XL user, please generate a Stable Diffusion prompt that will improve the quality of the image here. So that gets output, and we pass that to our positive clip text encoder for use later on. Back to the images, we'll actually need to tile VAE encode the image since we're going to be using tile Controlnet later on. Then we'll need to make sure we set our Controlnet up properly, so passing in the right Controlnet file. The weight slider that you see here will control the fidelity to the original image. So, putting that at 1, you'll almost see the exact same image. Putting it at 0, you're going to see a completely different image. And we'll pass all of that stuff to this tile K-sampler to actually generate our new image. Once that outputs, we're going to pass the original image and our generated image into this RG3 compare tool so we can, on the fly, take a look at our before and after generations. And we will also pass both images into this grid creation node so we can create a side-by-side view of the image for use later on. So that's it. I hope this was helpful, and have a great day.